Hello, I'm Stan Joseph from Bruder Healthcare, and today I'm here to tell you about a natural approach to eyelid hygiene, the Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution. Now, have you ever thought, are you neglecting your eyes? I mean, most of us take excellent care of our teeth, our skin, our hair, and body, but we often forget about our eyes, which can lead to irritation, discomfort, itchiness, even infection. The Bruder Eyelid Solution is a 0.02% pure hypochlorous acid spray. Now you might be thinking, why would I use anything with the word acid near my eyes? But hypochlorous acid is actually extremely gentle. In fact, in a pure diluted form, it is actually both safe and effective. But what is hypochlorous acid, and where does it come from? Hypochlorous acid is actually part of your natural immune system. In fact, it's produced by your body to kill bacteria, fight inflammation, and enhance your natural ability to heal. Now in eye care, hypochlorous acid helps relieve dry, crusty, red and itchy eyelids, symptoms associated with blepharitis, meibomian gland dysfunction, contact lens discomfort, styes, and dry eye disease. It also helps remove foreign material and debris on and around your eyelids. But not all hypochlorous acid solutions are the same. When choosing a hypochlorous acid solution, look closely at the ingredients. Many people use hypochlorous acid every day as part of their lid hygiene routine, in which case you'll need something gentle as well as effective. The Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution is pure, so it's safe for daily, long-term use. It contains no alcohol, no oil, sulfates, parabens, or any added fragrance. The solution is soothing to sensitive skin and provides fast relief from dryness and itchy, inflamed eyes. The Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution is also easy to apply. You just spray it onto closed eyelids. There's no need to rinse or wipe. Simply spray and let dry. You'll feel no bubbling or tingling like you might with other topically applied solutions. Instead, you'll enjoy comfort and improved hygiene of your eyelids and lashes. Use daily or as recommended by your doctor. The Bruder Hygienic Eyelid Solution is available in both 1 and 2 ounce bottles and is a welcome addition to the Brooder family of ophthalmic products. For more information about hypochlorous acid, as well as other comfort and hygiene solutions, be sure to ask your doctor or visit Brooder.com. And thanks so much for watching. Bruder, better by design.